Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to change your ringtone on WhatsApp. So go to WhatsApp, find this three-dot button, tap on it, find settings, go to notifications, scroll down, and almost at the bottom find ringtone. So tap on it and you can choose any ringtone you want, but if you downloaded some other ringtone, you can go to this option on this device. If you downloaded the ringtone, some song before, you can tap on it and find the music that you downloaded on your device. So that's very easy. Now you have instructions and you know how to do it. Thank you for your attention and see you later.